The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a flash flood warning for Butler County in south central Alabama, central Cooncuh County in south central Alabama, until 3:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday. At 9:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated bands of showers and thunderstorms producing very heavy rainfall and repeatedly moving across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Excessive runoff from additional torrential downpours is expected to result in flash flooding. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Greenville, Evergreen, Georgiana, McKenzie, I-65 and US 84, Chapman, East Chapman, Avant, Starlington, Bowling, Brushy Creek, Providence, Shell, Mount Olive, Garland, Odom Crossroads, Shacklesville, Wald, Grayson Industry. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.